Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. A Pro-class Windows Edition and Virtualization enabled in BIOS. This is required. Once done, disable other hypervisors and temporarily turn off WSL2 and Secure Boot if they interfere, because multiple hypervisors clash. Then, open PowerShell as administrator and run the Hyper-V status command to see whether the feature is present. This tells you the next step. Make sure to note any error messages. They guide whether to repair or reinstall Hyper-V components. Next, enable Hyper-V components using PowerShell. Enable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V All or add them in Windows Features. This installs platform and management tools. Once installed, open Hyper-V Manager and create an external virtual switch so Ldplayer can access your network. Choose the correct physical adapter. Then configure Ldplayer, point it at the Hyper-V VM, assign CPUs and RAM, and set storage. You do this because matching resources and network connectivity prevents common crashes and latency issues. Finally, reboot and launch the Hyper-V VM tied to Ldplayer. Verify it boots and the emulator connects to the virtual switch. If you hit errors, update Windows and chipset or virtualization drivers, then remove and reinstall Hyper-V to clear configuration corruption. A key troubleshooting step is to repair system images. Run DISM with Restore Health, followed by sfc/scano. This repairs corrupted system files that often break Hyper-V. If problems persist, note exact error text and repeat driver plus feature reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.